Andonstar AD269S 20X-5000X HDMI Digital Microscope. One tool for coins, slides, and soldering.
If you have ever tried to inspect a tiny solder joint, a coin edge, or a biology slide using a basic magnifier, you know the frustration. You lean closer, your eyes strain, the image shakes. After a few minutes, your neck feels stiff and your focus fades. For parents running home science sessions or hobbyists working late at a desk, that blurry, flickering view becomes a real barrier. Traditional eyepiece microscopes can feel cramped and isolating, especially when you want others to see what you see. And here is the thing. The more detail you need, the more unstable and uncomfortable it often becomes. You start wondering if clear, steady magnification is even possible at home. Sound familiar? Over time, that constant struggle with small details adds up. You waste minutes refocusing. You reposition your sample again and again because the stage will not move smoothly. You try to explain what you are seeing to a child or a colleague, but they cannot look through the eyepiece at the same time. Projects slow down. Learning feels less exciting. Even simple tasks like checking a coin's surface wear or inspecting a PCB trace turn into guesswork. The shaky image at higher magnification makes precision work stressful instead of satisfying. Let me explain. When your tools fight you, curiosity fades. Instead of exploring, you rush. Instead of documenting, you squint and move on. And if you were preparing a report or a presentation, not being able to capture clear photos or measurements becomes another quiet frustration that limits what you can actually share. Then, everything changed with the Andonstar AD269S 20x-5000X HDMI Digital Microscope. It combines stereo-style viewing, compound-style biological magnification, and handheld inspection into one all-in-one system with 5 interchangeable lenses and a 10.1-inch LCD screen. Don't just pick any digital microscope, make sure it has interchangeable lenses so you never suffer limited magnification options again. With lens A for coins and circuit boards, B, C, and M for biological slides up to 5,100 times on screen, and lens L for soldering, you adapt the tool to the task. Add HDMI output and Windows measurement software, and suddenly you are not just viewing details, you are documenting and sharing them. See how that shifts the experience? The difference shows up in daily use. The upgraded metal stand reduces shake at high magnification, which matters when you're working with lens M at up to 5,100 times on the built-in screen. The XY movable stage lets you smoothly position biological slides instead of nudging them by hand. External LED lights support coins and PCBs, while bottom lighting is optimized for slides, each with adjustable brightness. A technical product summary highlights the 5-lens system and 360-degree endoscope as key strengths for eliminating blind spots during inspections. One homeschooling parent shared that the 10.1-inch screen and included prepared slides made it easier to keep kids engaged during science sessions. Worried it might be too complex? Lens changes use simple screws, and focusing is done with a rotating wheel. You can also capture 2160p video, store files on the included 32GB card, or connect to Windows software for measurements. The workflow feels calmer, clearer, and far more controlled. In simple terms, the Andonstar AD269S 20x-5000X HDMI Digital Microscope turns tiny, frustrating details into clear, shareable visuals on a comfortable screen. With thousands of hobbyists, educators, and repair enthusiasts choosing multi-lens digital microscopes for home labs and workbenches, this model stands out for its flexibility and complete kit. If you want one device that covers coins, biology slides, and electronics without juggling separate tools, it is worth a closer look. You can check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment to explore full specifications and current availability. I hope it helps you see your projects in a whole new way.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.